Good morning, dear students. In today's class, we will learn about how to put commas to separate the periods in national system. So, students, while separating the period through commas in national system, we always remember one thing. We have to keep commas according to the periods. Now, we have already studied about place value table. In place value table, we had studied that unit period of unit consists of three places. They are ones, tens, hundred. Similarly, after unit, there is the period of thousand. In the period of thousand, it also consists of two periods, 1000, 10,000. After period of thousand, period of lakh occurs. Lakh also consists two places that are lakh and 10 lakh. Similarly, the period of crores also consists two places that are crore, 10 crore, and likewise the period of Arab also consists of two places, Arab, 10 Arab. So students, always we have to start keeping commas from right towards left. हामीले कमा लेख्ने बेलामा स्टुडेन्ट्स राइटदेखि लेख्दै लेफ्टतिर जानुपर्ने हुन्छ र एट फर्स्ट वी हेभ टु किप कमाज काउन्टिङ 3 डिजिट फ्रम राइट. हामीले सुरुमा कमा राख्दाखेरि राइट साइडबाट 3 डिजिट काउन्ट गरेर कमा राख्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स. किन 3 डिजिट काउन्ट गर्ने भन्दा किनकि वान्सको पिरियडमा 3 प्लेसेस भएको हुनाले वान्स, टेन्स, 100 यिनीहरू तीनटा प्लेसेस भएको हुनाले हामीले तीनवटा डिजिट काउन्ट गरेर कमा राख्ने. Similarly, in the period of 1000, there are two places. It means we have to count 2 digit again and then keep comma. Similarly, in the period of lakh, there are two places. So therefore, again we have to count 2 digit and then keep comma, and we have to go keeping comma in this way. Start counting from extreme right. हामीले कमा राख्ने बेलामा राइट साइडबाट काउन्टिङ गर्न सुरु गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. नम्बर 2, एट फर्स्ट किप कमा आफ्टर 3 डिजिट. र हामीले सबैभन्दा पहिले कमा 3 डिजिट काउन्ट गरेर राख्ने. थर्ड स्टेप, देन एट एभ्री 2 डिजिट. र त्यस पश्चात हामीले प्रत्येक 2 डिजिटमा कमा राख्दै जाने. So students, let's see the question. So students, here your question is write commas to separate the period. Now students, keep in your mind one thing, that why we use comma. We use comma to separate the periods. हामीले कमा पिरियड छुट्याउनको लागि राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. So students, here some numbers are given to you. Question number A, you can see there is 1 4 3 8 2 5 6. Now students, you have to put comma in this number. So as I have already told you, at first we have to start counting from extreme right. हामी राइट तर्फबाट, राइट भनेपछि यो तर्फबाट हामी राइट टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट जानुपर्ने हुन्छ, राइटबाट सुरु गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो एट फर्स्ट वी काउन्ट 3 डिजिट. सबैभन्दा पहिला हामीले कमा 3 डिजिट काउन्ट गर्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स. 3 डिजिट पछि राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ. सो 1 2 3. सो स्टुडेन्ट्स, यु हेभ टु पुट कमा 3 काउन्ट गर्ने. 1 2 3 र 3 को पछाडि हामीले कमा लगाउने. Now students, after keeping commas in after 3 digit, now वी हेभ टु पुट कमाज एट एभ्री 2 डिजिट। अब हामीले 3 डिजिटमा कमा राखिसके पछाडि अब हामीले प्रत्येक 2 डिजिटमा कमा राख्नुपर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स। सो नाउ काउन्ट 2 1 2 कमा। नाउ स्टुडेन्ट्स अगेन 1 2। सो स्टुडेन्ट्स आफ्टर 1 देयर इज नथिङ, देयर आर नो नम्बर्स आफ्टर 1। 1 पछि कुनै पनि नम्बर नभएकोले हामीले यहीँमै एन्ड गर्ने स्टुडेन्ट्स। सो दिस इज आवर लास्ट कमा। So students, let's solve B number. B number there is 8 5 4 3 2 1 9. So at first we have to count from right. हामीले राइटबाट सुरु गर्ने र पहिले हामीले 3 डिजिट काउन्ट गर्ने 1 2 3। 3 काउन्ट गरिसके पछाडि 3 डिजिटको जस्ट अगाडि हामीले कमा लगाउने। नाउ स्टुडेन्ट्स वी हेभ टु काउन्ट 2 डिजिट। अब हामीले प्रत्येक 2 डिजिट काउन्ट गर्ने र कमा लगाउने 1 2 कमा। So students, let's solve question number C. There is 4 3 9 0 5 6 7 1 9 0. So students, at first we need to count 3 digit. So 1 2 3. So after that we need to keep comma. Now students, after counting 3 digit, after keeping commas in 3 digit, now we have to count 2 digit. अब हामीले प्रत्येक 2 डिजिटमा कमा लगाउनु पर्ने हुन्छ स्टुडेन्ट्स। 2 डिजिट काउन्ट गर्दै हामीले कमा लगाउने। सो 1 2 कमा, अगेन 1 2 कमा, अगेन 1 2 कमा। So students, here after 4 there is no number, so therefore this is our last comma. Now students, question number D, there is 6 6 7 7 8 8 9 9 0. So we have to start from right. Let's count 3 digit 1 2 3 comma. Now students, after counting 3 we have to count 2. अब हामीले प्रत्येक 2 डिजिटमा कमा लगाउने 1 2 comma, again 1 2 comma, again 1 2 comma. So students, now before 6 there is no number, so therefore we have to end here. So students, in this way we can put commas and separate the periods of any numbers. Now students, hope you have understood today's class. Now here I would like to give you some questions as your homework. Here I have given 5 questions as your homework. Hope you will complete it. So till then, stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you so much.